Asking for Masha. You sit down, Rory. Why are you not sitting down?
Bakit may gulang ikichismis, Rory?
Baka ano eh. Wala pa siyang filter. Wala pang filter. Here. Lahat pa pinakikinggan niya pa. Okay. Here. Put some shirt. Nagtuyag ka na sa'yo na. Put some shirt. 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 Put some shorts. 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 Put some short. Put the skirt. Put the blouse. Put the dress. Put the dress. Put the dress. Put the shirt. Long in sleeve. Put the pants. Put the pants. Put the pants. Ito yan, babalab.
Some more.
Okay, some more. Sit down. You do it. You do it. Oh, let's go. Go. Oh, dito. Here. Here. Babalab. Yun.
Yes. Ito ka.
Yan mo doon.
Princess, ano lang siya muna? Spread lang muna sa bukas. Oo, spread lang muna. Consumer yung spread niya.
Yes. Oh, yung Tisil. Bakit wala si Princess at saka si Juliana?
Hindi, ang kapartner ni
Ay,
Japan.
bagay, mas mag-best friend si Princess at saka si Juliana Rose. Mas connected silang dalawa. Put some shirt.
Shirt. Next.
Go.
Next, you get na. Listen kay teacher. Get ka na.
Finish mo.
Squid. Can
Ito,
you
oh.
find the squid, Masha? Squid.
Pentagon.
There's the squid. Nasaan si squid? Oo, hindi ganyan.
You sit down. You sit down. Put in here.
Get mo yun, Masha.
Masha.
Very good.
Masha. Yan na, Masha. Hindi kasi squid kami. Pakita mo, Masha.
Lagay ten.
Lagay mo lahat.
Yellow seahorse. Oh, si Anna,
Sit down.
Yellow seahorse.
Lagay mo lahat, Beth.
Yellow seahorse. Masha. Seahorse. Yan.
Wak, 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 wak.
Op. Masyado maikot.
Very good. Sit down. Sit down ka.
How about
Dan. Rory, Dan. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, toy.
Yes.
Okay. Now you put here. Put in the box. Put the box. Okay, good job.
Sulat.
Sulat? Gusto mo magsulat?
Yes.
Gusto ko ng dinosaur.
What's missing?
Ano mo, ah? Letter L.
Oh no, nahulog na. Yellow turtle. Masha. Yellow turtle. Yes, yellow turtle. Listen mo na. Yellow turtle. Masha. Turtle. Yes, turtle. Where's the turtle? Yellow turtle.
Dalawa na lang.
Ganda mo pa rin. Bakit ganon?
Isa.
Bakit unfair, Masha?
Answer sa one.
Okay, go. Walang oval. It's gone. Missing.
Wait.
Sorry.
The
Next, Masha. Up, up. 2 hands again. 2 hands.
Good.
Yes.
Hmm? Ano pa, oh?
2 hands. Go.
3 more.
2 hands. Oh. Masha.
Yay! Done? Sit down ka. You're gonna do the dinosaurs. Find the letters. Okay? Dali lang. Wala pa. Sit down lang. Wait. Wait up. Wait lang. This one is M and M. Wait lang. I'm just showing you. Wait lang. A and A, N and N.
Okay na.
You. Okay, go. Put it here. Okay, more. Oh, what's that? Get the orange.
W.
Very good. Next. Oh, get the red. Dalawa lang yung red dyan, oh.
BB.
Yes. Good job. Next. Find the pair. Find mo, ah. Oh, baka ito. Oh, baka ito. Oh, it's wrong. Baka ito. Ha?
Thank you, Masha.
Ha? Okay, Salvador. Okay, go.
Zero.
Find.
Frog, Masha.
No, that's wrong. Kailangan mo ng head. Hindi pwedeng parehas na tail. Hindi yan magdidikit. Find the pair. Find the Q. And find the C.
You're gonna feed.
Okay. Oh, you put it there.
Feed natin yung frog.
Green. Ooh.
Food. Sa hand. And then, wait lang.
Yay. Good job. Next, please.
1, 2, 3.
Very good.
Wait lang.
No.
Look, Masha.
Put together. That's correct. 1. Yay. Good job.
Si Masha nga, try.
Yay. Galing ah.
Good job. One more.
R.
You find R. You find.
R.
Ayun, R.
What's that sound?
Oh, you put it here. Find more.
Faster na, Masha.
Find more. Oh,
U.
find letter U.
Oh, faster. Then we're gonna put it up.
Sit down. Wrong! Wrong, wrong, wrong. Find the dinosaurs and put them together.
What's mommy?
Why, what happened? Find the dinosaurs and put them together. Find X. X. Asan yung ibang X? Ayun, X. Oh, put it together. Go. Very good.
Wait. Wait lang po. Wait, Masha. Wait. Dito lang. Oh, try again. Chuck, ilagay na to.
Lagay mo doon.
What's that shape?
What's the shape?
1, 2,
Help.
3,
We need
4,
help.
5, 6, 7, 8.
First, when you're asking teacher,
Teacher?
can we open egg?
Yes.
Sabi mo
Oh.
Open
Open
egg,
egg.
please.
Yeah.
Please, say please. Look at me,
Get me,
Oh, ayan na. Okay, go. Find the shapes. Put it here.
Use your hand. Use your hand.
Open.
Oh, open it. Oh, ganyan. Oh. Oh.
Sabi ko, use your hand eh. Oh.
You get egg.
Crayon.
How about pencil?
Wait lang. One.
How about crayon?
I'll give you crayon if you sulat with pencil first.
Again.
Sit down.
Dahan-dahan. Try again.
Sit down.
Oh, look, oh,
Open. Come on.
oh.
Yes.
Ano na?
Ano gagawin natin?
Open.
Look at me. Look. Look, teacher. Look.
Picture.
Rory is trying to be so creative. Fascinated siya sa crayons.
Two missing.
Oh, sulat siya, oh. Oh, primo, oh.
Nilagay si Amo. Masha.
It's okay. Next. Ito naman.
Check under.
Share. Share crayon. Not yours only. You will share. Go, primo. Share kayo ng crayons. It's okay. Oh. Get the pencil. May eraser ba yan?
Next.
Oh no, wala. Ay, pangit na. Oh, dirty na siya. Oh my gosh.
Color blue yung lagayan.
Oh no.
Dirty.
Oo. Oh. So, ito gawan to labay to.
Blue, Masha.
What are you doing na, Rory? What's that?
12.
Number 12 ka na.
No, no, no. Eraser.
I'm sorry, no eraser for crayons. Pag pencil, yes.
Only eraser.
Wala akong eraser. Yung pencil, may eraser. Oh.
Only
If you use the pencil, you can erase it. Wala akong eraser. You put the flower para hindi mahulog. Binimbitawan mo na agad. Oh, how about the arrow? You put this one there. Oh. Put it there. You put this one there. Oh, good. Last two. Okay, good. A.
AB.
Yes, AB. R. I. Gabrielio.
LL.
Yes, LLO. Ang galing! What's your name again?
D.
Go.
Let's go.
Let's start.
1 plus 1.
No, I said write your name again. R.
Still
No.
math.
Anong math? Teacher said name.
I want math, mommy.
I said name. Write your name again. Wrong. Write your name. No more. No more. No more. No more. No more writing. If you will not write your name, we will do another paper pag math. Ibang paper pag math. Write your name. R.
No, math hug.
No, I don't like hug. You follow Teacher Jen. Write your name again. Kulit.
No, math.
Ay, no more. Sorry. No more math.
I
Magkamit naman ng pencil. J. What's next?
spell Jess.
Jess? I don't know. Rory? Hindi ko alam yung... Where's your notebook ba? Nandun lahat yung information mo eh. J-E? Okay, ba doon ata ito? Let's play swing! One more. One more, primo, one more. Nakuling primo, Okay, let's go. Hawak dito.
Crayons and crayons push.
One,
Crayons and
two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Your turn. Okay. Rory, do you like to swing? Your turn.
Dito.
Sit down.
Help. No.
Dito ka.
No.
Sit down.
No.
Ayaw? Ayaw mo nang mag-swing?
Go small crayons.
Okay, some more tayo. Ang pinapakinggan mo lang, Rory, yung sarili mo eh. Oh, hindi naman tama yun.
Let's go crayons.
1,
Crayons.
2,
Crayons.
3,
Crayons.
4, okay,
Crayons.
5,
Crayons.
6,
Lord, get crayons.
7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! Done? Bye-bye, swing. Bye-bye, swing.
Bye-bye, swing.
Okay, thank you.
Swing.
Okay, let's jump.
Let's go swing.
Let's-
Swing.
You want to swing?
No.
Okay, no.
I'll die you swing.
Okay, let's go jump.
Let's go swing.
Come on, let's go. Catch. Catch. Good go. Catch. Catch. Get with your hands. Come on. Get. Get. Come on. Yan, catch. Teacher. Throw. Ganun, oh. Oh. Oh, come. Oh, ganun.
Everyone.
Come on.
Everyone. Let's go, everyone.
Come on, let's go.
What?
Oh, catch. Let's throw and catch. Ready? Catch. Jump. Play with the ball. You jump.
Slide.
Slide. Oh, you go slide. Do not remove.
Sleep.
More, oh. Just like this one, oh.
Giant.
Make a tree. Make a tree.
Tree.
Yeah, there's a tree. Make a house. Put some flowers. Go, Rory. Oh, go, akyat. Go climb. And then you slide. Rory, come on. Play. Play slide. Sabi mo, play slide. Go. Rory, play slide. Ball, slide. Slide ka, slide.